Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Today we are going to see solid modeling of bearing bracket. So let's go. You can find this drawing PDF in description box. Select new command. Give the file name as bearing bracket. Click OK. Then select template. Here is MMNS part solid because part is in mm. Firstly, we are going to locate the views of drawing. This is front view, right view, and lastly, top view. According to that, we have to create model. Firstly, we are going to create a base of model. For that, select top plane. Here is the rectangle of 70 by 84. And height is 11 mm. Then we are trying to draw this trapezoidal shape. Having dimensions, here is 46, and the height is 133. Make them symmetric about the axis. And complete the loop. Here is thickness is 8 mm. Make them both sides. Here is some correction. The 133 dimension is from this edge, so make them 133. Click OK. Then try to draw these circular shapes. For that, select right plane. Draw the circle having diameter of 46. Click OK. Make them both sides having width of 34 mm. Smaller circle, which is For that, draw a construction circle here. Having dimension of 81 radius. So here is a circular dimension is 29 mm. Then select profile. Draw a reed in this section. Having height of 10 mm. Having width of 8 mm, and try to draw same on other side. This is 10 mm and width is 8 mm. Now take a plane from the base having height of 162 mm to draw the vertical circular feature. So select extrude and top plane. Draw a circle of 17 mm. Click OK. Then select the up to selected surface feature and click the circular feature. So it will extrude up to that surface. Give round here of 32 radius. Other side also same. Give one radius to parts, as here the all fillets around are 3, so give it to part. This radius is 10 mm. As I can see, the R3 radius is not suitable for this part, so make them 1.5. So it will apply properly for this part. Make the all radius to 1.5. Now the part is looking fine. Now try to remove the material from these circle shapes. So here is a circle. Having dimension of 28.57. Here is smaller circle is 13 mm. So remove material here. So here is 4 holes to base plate having dimension of 8 mm. The distance between two circles is here is 58 mm. Make them symmetric about the axis. Click OK. Remove this material. Now try to give this emmet into 1.5 hole. For that, go to hole command. Select standard option. Select screw size to emmet into 1.5. Here is. Now select the axis and the top surface. So you will get the hole. Then click OK. As you can see, the model is complete. Here is the front view. Here is the right view. Here is the top view. The model is look same as given in the drawing. In this way, you can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.